her face.
Well, it looks like it's gonna. We need to get this up there.
Yeah, she's got our Impala. Had to go to school.
Hard to come out. It looks like.
Can you get this? Can you get the part?
The oil's gonna be extremely hot because you just pulled.
He did get the other part for Jeannie.
The oil filter is right
She's
above
here today.
Oh, you use oil filter every time you do something?
You should.
Too late now. Because he's
Water filter, right?
yes. I've been up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Alright. Here, I'll just pull it out. Okay.
What are you backing up for, Alex?
Oil's gonna spray on me.
You could.
How close you are to it.
Did you get a filter?
Yeah.
Did you get the no OBs on there?
Go on.
No, blame me. Oil's draining.
Use it off.
Don't take my picture.
I'm not. I'm videotaping you.
Don't videotape me. I hate my
You know, you still have any pictures on Facebook?
I don't intend to.
Why not? How does it give me your Facebook if your